everyone, this is Cindy of Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with a project inspired by Bona at Live, Laugh, Scrap. She had made these little kind of embellishment envelope books. So I made my own book using the Pink Bouville, I think it's Bouville collection that I got from Michaels. It's one of the few things that I did buy Halloween this year. I think I bought that, and I bought the Doodlebug Candy Carnival. So what I did for the front is it's all made out of cardstock. I didn't use any chipboard or anything like that. It's a very simple book. Because it's a single-sided collection, what I did was, I think my cut paper was cut at 7 by 12, or maybe it was 6 by 12. I think it was 6 by 12. And then what I did was I took 2 sheets and I just glued them on top of each other, which made the cover slightly sturdier. That's all I did, so that it looks, double-sided. For the cover, I just have these really pretty pumpkins that are part of the paper already. This is a cut-apart from the collection. I just cut it out and put it on there. It says Happy Halloween, and then I had made a bow. So the bow is put right here, and that's the cover. Just super simple. When you open it up, I have envelopes in here using my envelope punch from We Are Memory Keepers, and I believe mine are 5 by 6. Very simple construction. All I did was make the envelopes, and I used the Kathy Orta hinge for my hinge, but you could use whatever you want. That's what I used. So I just did a cut apart here to kind of keep it a little bit closed and to decorate it. And when you open it up, I have some bows in here using the collection. Very simple. And like that. And then right here, I kind of screwed up my envelope for some reason. It didn't, didn't kind of at a curve, so it didn't really cut well. So instead what I did was I created kind of like a little booklet here. So you could put pictures in here. You could cut these out and use them on a card if you wanted. But they just go in like this. And then this envelope, I did a cut apart here, open it up. And here are my ribbon embellishments, which I showed in another video, how to make these. But here's my little ribbon embellishments. And they just go right in here. And then this one says spooky. This is using nothing but the collection. So that's what makes it really easy. And then here, I haven't put anything in here, but I am going to be putting some cut aparts as well as some of these. Forgot to do it actually. Thought I had it all done, but I'm going to put some die cuts. So I'm going to put some die cuts, and I'm going to put some of the cut aparts from the collection in an envelope, and that's just going to go right in there. And then that will complete my little book. So simple and fun, a good way to send something fun in the mail, or if you're in a swap, you could do this as a flip book if you wanted. But I just really like the idea, and it was super, super easy. I made it in an afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Cricut the Heart.